Hello, in this video I'm going to configure Ceph Block Device and use it as persistent storage for the MariaDB. As you can see, I have two Ubuntu Linux server, and I'm going to install MariaDB on them and use this Ceph Block storage device as the backend storage for this MariaDB. Let's go and do it. As you can see here, I have a Ceph cluster set up, and I have to CephX Pool, and it's time to configure it. My clients are Ubuntu 22. My Ceph version is 19.2.1. Okay, let's go and create the pool and use it for my editing. The pool has been created, and here you can see my pool's information. Application is not RDB, and I have to initialize the RDB to use this pool as block storage. And after initialization, if I look at the pool again, here is my pool details, and to see application, here you can see the application is RDB. I'll add this command and do OK, and it's time to create a volume for that pool. Before creating volume, if we look at the pool, we don't have any volume on this pool, and now I have a 10 GB volume on mariadb pool. Here is the detail, and to have more information about the pool, this is the pool size, how many snapshots does it have, the feature, and other information. To use Ceph Block Device, it's required to have a CephX user. I will create a client.mariadb user with read access to monitoring and read write execute to mariadb-pool. I need user information and also cluster information to use this information on my clients. Okay, here is the keyring information. This is my client information. I need this information on both hosts. I also need my cluster information. Here you can see my cluster information is correct, so let's continue are set up. To use Ceph Block Device on Linux, we need Ceph command. As you can see, I've already installed on my host, and I configured my keyring and class information. It's required to have RDB module on your host, and it's time to map the volume and use it on my clients. As you can see here, it is mapped. To use it, I need a file system and a mount point. I will create a mount point for MariaDB and mount this block device on this directory, and if we look at the directory, we can see it is a mounted point, and here is my block device. It's time to install MariaDB on that host. On the second client, it's required to have MariaDB. Okay, the MariaDB installation has been completed. It's required to start, enable, and see the MariaDB status. It is active and running. I will create a database on MariaDB, and we see we have a database on first glance. Okay, let's stop the MariaDB on first glance and you mount the volume. Here I've installed MariaDB. During the installation of MariaDB, this directory has been created, but I will mount this I will mount the Ceph Block Device storage here. I have this block device. I want, let me continue. I have set and I won't format it because it's already formatted. It's required to mount it. Okay. As you can see here, my database is already mounted. It's required to start the MariaDB, and here we can see I have access to all information inside the database. Thank you for watching.